Okay, we have been factoring the way we take our trinomial. Oops, we would have a problem like this. If the factors of c, which is our constant term, in this case, they would be 4 and 2, that add to be 6. So we'd have x plus 4, x plus 2. There was nothing now in front here, just a 1. So we're going to change that today and put a number out there. Need any number. So the first thing we do, we don't immediately look. We are going to multiply these two numbers. That's how we want to start every single time. So now we want to look at what are the factor pairs of 18. 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. Now we look at, this says to subtract them. Which pair subtracts to be 7? 2 and 9, and we need positive 7, so it's going to be 9 minus 2. Here's the difference in what we've done and how we're going to combine it with yesterday. We're going to rewrite this 7x as 9x minus 2x. What's 9x minus 2x? 7x. So we're going to rewrite that 9x minus 2x. Now, does this look like what we did yesterday? It says factor this. We have 4 parts. So we're going to cut it in half. What's common in these two? Just x. So we divide by x, we get 2x plus 9. This one's negative, but we need positives in here, so we're going to divide by negative 1. This gets us 2x plus 9. Going back to yesterday, these are the same. Exactly what we want. So one parentheses is 2x plus 9. The other is x minus 1. Okay, so we're going to kind of combine what we did yesterday with what we've been doing. We're going to do a little bit of this today, do some practice, and then work on it again quite a bit more tomorrow. I want to make sure we've got it before we move ahead. So this one, 2x squared plus x minus 6. So again, step 1 is multiply these two. We get 12. 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. We need the pair that subtracts to be how many x's? 1x. And it's a positive, so we need 4 minus 3, or 4x minus 3x. So we rewrite this as 4x minus 3x. So that's the two key differences in the first step are we multiply our a and our c. And then we rewrite the middle term as 2 terms instead of just 1. Then we go back to yesterday's assignment. Okay, what's common in these first two then? Okay, x and a 2 as well. So we get 2x, and that gives us x plus 2. What's common in these two? 3, and they're both negative, so we're going to do negative 3. So we get negative 3, and then that leaves us x plus 2. So these, again, have to be exactly the same, or we did something wrong. Did it matter that I wrote 2x minus 3 first?
No.
Because, again, multiplication is commutative, so we can switch the order around. Okay, let's do 1 or 2 more. So 5x squared minus 13x plus 6. In step 1, multiply these two. 5 times 6 is 30. Factors of 30. 1, 3, 2, 15, 3, 10, 5, 6. We need to add the 13. We need negative 13. So negative and negative. So we get negative 3x, negative 10x. Does it matter if we changed to we have written negative 10x minus 3x? Yes, it would. It would change our order of common factor, but everything will work out exactly the same. So that order does not actually matter. 4 parts, cut in half. What's common here? X. X. So 5x minus 3. Here we get negative 2. So negative 5 by negative is 5x minus 3. And they are the same. That is exactly what we want. X minus 2, 5x minus 3. Let's do one more. Four x squared plus 8x plus 3. And we start by multiplying. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 and 12. 2, 6, 3, 4. Which pair adds to be 8? 2 and 6. So we rewrite 8x as 2x plus 6x. That would equal 8x. Now we have 4 parts, just like yesterday, cut in half. Common in these two. 2x. So that leaves us with 2x. 2x divided by 2x is?
What?
Thank you. Anything divided by itself is 1. Here we're divided by 3 on both. 2x plus 1. So 1 parentheses is 2x plus 3. 1 is 2x plus 1. So for today, we're going to do some of the basic ones, and tomorrow we'll review this and then add in some of the more involved ones. If, let's find one that's of course, there we go. Example like that. If you cannot factor and these do not end up the same, if they do not end up the same, and we can't factor it, what is our answer? Prime. So if they're not the same or can't be factored, then you would write prime. Okay. Let's see. Let's do one. Okay, here's an example. 6a squared minus 5a minus 2. So we start by multiplying. 12, 1 and 12, 3, 4, 2, 6. Which pair subtracts to be 5? None of them do. So none of them subtract to be 5, therefore it's prime. All right. So what I'm going to have us do today on 222, 1 to 19 odd. So 10 questions, not a huge one. 1 to 19 odd. So then we'll look at this again tomorrow and try some of the more difficult ones.